GM and welcome to a new video. This time we're going to talk about Jupiter and especially the swap function, how you can use it to trade your crypto on Solana with the Jupiter exchange. Jupiter is not only an exchange but also an aggregator, as we will see later, so they find the cheapest routes for you so you get the most out of your trade. Let's start. I'm going to walk you through it step by step. First, you click on Connect Wallet. Then recently used in my case was the Phantom, but you can also connect your Solflare, Magic Eden, and a lot of other wallets. Because I had Phantom collected the last time, I'm gonna use it this time as well. With your selling, for example, I want to sell 0.1 Sol and I would get USDC for it, but you can search for everything else. I said that Jupiter is an aggregator. You can see here that the route would be through Radium, so the actual exchange would be through Radium. And in case you wanted to buy some bonk, you click here. You can just search for it, basically all of the meme coins and every other coin on Solana. You can find it here. Then you would see how much you get, and then you can click on swap and sign the transaction, and that's basically it. But there's a few advanced settings I want to explain real quick for you guys. If you click here on this settings button, you can see the different swap settings. It's set to auto, and if you're a beginner, just leave as is, but I want to explain it real quick. The slippage mode automatically adjusts how much price can change during your swap, so that helps avoid unexpected losses. For beginners, it's best to leave this on dynamic to let Jupiter handle slippage for you. The transaction fees are also set dynamically, adjusted based on the trade size to keep fees reasonable, so keeping this as dynamic is recommended as well. And finally, the MEF Protect is an option that blocks certain attacks like front running. If you're making larger trades, you could consider enabling this for extra safety. Otherwise, leaving it disabled is fine for smaller trades. And that's already it. Feel free to try out Jupiter. And if you haven't done so already, make sure to give me a follow to not miss any of the other videos that are coming up. See you next time.